Here is one of the oldest streets in Valladolid. You can see by this old stone wall and the beautiful old bricks in the street. You can tell that the age goes back to about the 1700s. So you can see a number of beautiful businesses. Here, this one is a doctor's office, and past it is a restaurant, and here it's a hotel, a very old hotel. It's been here for a while. There's a beautiful palm tree in front of it. And then the old street lights. And many, many tourists walking the stretch of this street. And some very beautiful palm trees here along this strip, and you can tell it's going to rain soon from all the clouds in this video, but it makes for really good colors. And you can see people zipping past. And that is about the only bit of noise you have here, is just this odd traffic. But otherwise, it is usually very, very quiet. And look in the light, how beautiful they are. And these people here have brought in these plants recently, and it just really, really adds to the street. And you can see here, they've put in a boutique full of clothes and other things. And there are some tourists going in, and etc., etc. So if you'd like a tour of this beautiful street, get a hold of me at the email below, and I'll show you a lot more of this beautiful small city, Valladolid Yucatan. Shop new items, huge selection, up to 70% off, all beautiful and top quality. Flash deals, link is below the video. Also join the movement, wear a t-shirt or baseball cap or use a phone case. Stop polluting. Join the movement today.